Hello everybody. We'll start today's lesson with our funky French phonics. 4 questions, plus a bonus picture clue to translate. Pause the video, give yourself a couple of minutes to answer. Let's check how we've got on. Number 1, the missing sound was E for the word étoile, meaning star. Number 2, the sound missing was sh, spelt ch, for the word chien, meaning dog. Number 3, the sound missing was k, spelt qu, for the word banque, meaning bank. And finally, number 4, the sound missing was s, spelt c with the cedilla, for the word français, meaning French. And our picture clue was the colour rouge, red, and the sound there is oo. So welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to be learning about using seesaw sentences to extend our writing when giving opinions. Before we do any practice, let's just revise our opinions. Sort these opinions from hate to love. Pause the video to give yourself a couple of minutes to answer. You can fill them in on the activity sheet. Let's check how we've got on. We'll start with je déteste, I hate. You can repeat it after me. Then je n'aime pas, I don't like. Je préfère, I prefer. J'aime, I like. J'aime beaucoup, I really like, or I like a lot. And finally, j'adore, I love. Next we have a table with positive and negative adjectives. Pause the video and give yourself a couple of minutes to translate. You can fill them in on the space provided on the activity sheet. How did you do? You can repeat these words after me. Joli, pretty. Grand, big. Bien, good. Intéressant, interesting. Passionnant, exciting. Drôle, funny. Amusant, fun. Sympa, nice. Gentil, kind. Facile, easy. And the negative adjectives. You try saying them after me too. Petit, small. Nul, rubbish. Ennuyeux, boring. Barbant, boring. Égoïste, selfish. Paresseux, lazy. Pénible, annoying. Casse-pied, annoying. Difficile, difficult. So back to today's lesson, and here we've got a seesaw to illustrate this idea of giving seesaw opinions. We start with a positive opinion and justification, which means giving a reason. Then, to balance our point of view like a seesaw, we have a pivot. This is our connective. And you can see the 3 examples given. Mais, meaning but. Aussi, meaning also. And cependant, meaning however. Following our connective, we complete our balanced point of view with a negative opinion and justification. This way we are giving both a positive and negative point of view, helping us to extend our ideas when writing or speaking. Let's do an example. In a writing test, you might see something like this. A bullet point and the words ta ville next to it. In this instance, you are being asked to write about your town. If we follow the seesaw approach, you might come up with a sentence like this. J'aime ma ville parce que c'est joli, mais je n'aime pas ma ville car c'est ennuyeux. You try reading it in French. And in English, it means I like my town because it's pretty, but I don't like my town because it's boring. Pause the video and have a go at question 1 and 2 on the worksheet. Another way we can extend our sentences is using frequency words, words that tell us how often something occurs, and qualifiers, words that tell us how much something occurs. Pause the video and give yourself a minute or two to translate these words. You can fill them in on the space provided on the worksheet. Let's see how you did. Try repeating these words after me. Toujours. Always. Souvent. Often. Tous les jours. Every day. De temps en temps. From time to time. Quelquefois. Sometimes. And our qualifiers. Vraiment. Really. Très. Very. Assez. Quite. Trop. Too. Un peu. A bit. If we now go back to our earlier example, we can see how we might improve and extend further this sentence. J'aime ma ville parce que c'est vraiment joli, mais de temps en temps, je n'aime pas ma ville car c'est ennuyeux. You try saying it in French. And in English that means, I like my town because it's really pretty, but from time to time I don't like my town because it's boring. Pause the video and have a go at question 3 and 4 on the worksheet. Finally, we can improve our sentences further by saying what someone else thinks. If we go back once more to our earlier example, we can see again how we might improve this sentence. J'aime ma ville parce que c'est vraiment joli, mais de temps en temps, je n'aime pas ma ville car c'est ennuyeux. Cependant, ma mère adore ma ville parce qu'elle aime le parc. Which means, I like my town because it's really pretty, but from time to time I don't like my town because it's boring. However, my mum loves my town because she likes the park. You try reading it in French. Now pause the video and complete questions 5 to 7 on the worksheet.